StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo is best shampoo for curly hair. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo is a moisturizing formula that is perfect for quenching dry curls and attaining well-defined, supremely hydrated, soft, bouncy, tangle-free, frizz-free curls. The shampoo gently cleanses the curls without stripping away the natural moisture from the hair. It contains avocado oil that helps moisturize, strengthen, and repair your hair. StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo is best shampoo for curly hair. StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo comes with avocado, flaxseed, pea protein, chamomile, vitamin E, and plant-based oils and extracts. Avocado. It helps repair, moisturize and strengthen your hair strands. Flaxseed. It is known to have properties that can help prevent hair fall. Pea protein. It forms a protective layer around the strands to help strengthen them. Chamomile. It encourages healthy hair growth and adds shine and softness to the strands. Vitamin E. It helps nourish your strands and keeps them hydrated. Plant-based oils and extracts. It contains natural ingredients that provide complete nourishment. It is infused with flaxseed oil that helps reduce breakage and frizziness, and promotes optimal hair growth. Pea protein is rich in amino acids that bonds with hair strands and create a protective structure. The shampoo contains chamomile extract that encourages healthy hair growth as it can soothe and calm your scalp and hair. Moroccan argan oil nourishes the hair and prevents it from damage. Natural botanical ingredients help improve the texture and strengthen the hair. The product is free from parabens, phthalates, SLS, SLES, or mineral oils. It is suitable for all hair types. Benefits of StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo. Nourished scalp and stronger hair, protects hair from external damage, and vegan formula safe for the long run. StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo is a moisturizing formula that is perfect for quenching dry curls and attaining well-defined, supremely hydrated, soft, bouncy, tangle-free, frizz-free curls. The shampoo gently cleanses the curls without stripping away the natural moisture from the hair. StBotanica Go Curls Hair Shampoo is best shampoo for curly hair. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.